Perfect. Thank you. All right. So once again, so if you missed the beginning, I'll just talk about Numerai and Numerai Council of Elders again. So Numerai is a hedge fund, AI-powered hedge fund based in San Francisco. So they use predictions from data scientists around the world to form their trading strategies. So me, I'm from the Council of Elders. So and Alex here with me. So we are like the community elected members that try to do something beneficial to the overall community and ecosystems. And then we have our friends YIEDL here, YIEDL.ai here. So they talk about the platform already. So what we're trying to do in this short talk is about the collaboration between us and how you can benefit from using the data from YIEDL and then the platform of Numerai Crypto to earn some cryptocurrency from Numerai. Okay, so this is how it started. So this is back in July, Tokyo. So that was the first time I opened up the Numerai event for other partners. So that's why I invited YIEDL and then Frog and crunched out to the Tokyo Meetup. That's how we first met in person. So thank you for coming again today. So after a lot of sushi, maybe some beer, or we didn't have beer, or maybe not beer, just some sushi, a lot of sushi, we start talking about other stuff. So David mentioned the crypto data sets that they have, and then Nuben just gave a really good overview of the whole data set. And I thought, okay, this could be useful for Numerai Crypto, because if you look at the crypto competition at Numerai, they only provide a target for us. Say they ask us to come up with their own pipeline to generate some predictive features, which is a lot of work. And I didn't do it because I was lazy, so I didn't want to put that much effort into generating that many features. So I didn't join until now, until I have this discussion with the YIEDL team. This is how they can pitch the gap, because they already have a really feature-rich data set that covers over a decade of cryptocurrency data. And we can use that to enrich the data from Numerai. So for example, this is the data from Numerai. You can see that it's only covering the symbols, the date, and the target, which is like a 30-day returns in different bins. So what we want to do is to predict that with our own features. Now that's without the help of YIEDL. But now, because of YIEDL, we have that data set, that features that we can link together. So for example, you can see all these features, the price, volume and market cap features, and then some on-chain metrics and some sentiment features in this data set, about 3,000 plus features. So we can use this to join with the data from Numerai, and that became the data set that we can use for supervised machine learning, which is the one that I need to join the Numerai Crypto competition without spending too much time to generate my own features. And that's why I think this is a really valuable contributions or collaborations between us, and that could benefit the whole Numerai community. So they can also join this without doing this feature pipeline. And there's a lot of work behind the scenes from the YIEDL side. So thank you, Ruben. I know maybe it could be just you behind the scenes. So they increased the frequency of the data refresh, because their own competition is weekly. But to match the Numerai Crypto, they have to increase that to daily, or actually technically 5 times a day to match the Numerai Crypto. But that's, I know, it's a lot of work for the team. They also provide the API, so we can use the API to access the data, and that's crucial because that allows for the full automations and the automatic prediction to submit it to Numerai Crypto. And without that, there won't be any a wider community adoption without the API. So thank you again for the API. And this has been approved by the real Numerai team, so they liked what they see, and they included the whole thing into the official documentations, which now is available on the website. So that's like a really good sign of a successful collaboration. And then I'm also benefiting from this data set as well, because I'm using this data to build my models and use that to submit predictions to Numerai Crypto. And maybe you can't really see the actual figures here, but I can tell you it's like 5% return per round. And for Numerai Crypto, it's the daily round, so you got about 22 trading days a month, and you can earn about 5% return each day. And that is crazy in terms of return rate. And thank you so much for that. So we need to talk about other stuff later. And you can also check my model online. So maybe at some point it will drop, but at this moment it's doing really, really well. So I'm seeing many God candles in DJN's term. And finally, if you want to read more about the whole process, so including some links to the dataset and links to tutorial, quick start work notebook, you can go to Medium. So search for Numerai Council of Elders, and you can find us on Medium. And that's only one blog post right now about the whole collaborations and different resources. So moving forward, so thank you for the YouTube team accepting my what do I say? How should I phrase it? I don't know. I would join them as another council member, so that we will work again closely together for the years to come. And I look forward to more win-win collaboration, because I can see that there's some overlap between different platforms. So Numerai and YIEDL, there are more things that we can do together, and I will focus my energy on that to make that happen in the years to come. And finally, I want to thank them again. So we, on behalf of the Council of Elders and on behalf of the wider Numerai community, we want to thank you for all the hard work and continuous effort to making this data set available for us. This is really, really helpful, and we will try to drive the number up in the coming months. So try to get more people to use the data set and to join the competitions. And I think we will get more useful insight from this meta model from Numerai Crypto. So, yep, that's it for me. Thank you. So, we got a few minutes for questions for all the YIEDL team. So, if you have any questions, you can ask them now, or we can have some coffee first. So, we'll have a break until 4. Is that okay, everyone? We have a break until 4. Okay? And the YIEDL team will be here, so you can ask them anything. Okay? So, thank you. I will see you at 4.